Alright guys, just got to the airport. I am running extremely late. My plane's already boarding. I probably got like 20 minutes to get through TSA right now, get everything going. Hopefully TSA is not packed. Hopefully it's okay, but I'm definitely running late right now. We're headed to Reno. I'm headed to Reno right now. I'm gonna visit my family, making it into like a little ski trip vlog for you guys. So I'm gonna go snowboarding while I'm out there. For any of the members, this is actually the day after everything happened with the Discord, so maybe I'll update you guys on that in the video. But a lot going on, bro. My head's everywhere. I'm late for the airport. It's crazy over here, so I'll see you on a second.
Forgive me, Lord, I sin again. Ain't got no feeling, man. Lady, I've been chillin'. If you try me, I might kill a man. Talking out your mouth, you see light, watch we flip a man. I've been on my grind like I'm skating, I might trick a man. God, I can't repent again, cause I keep sinning, man. Hope you got a spot for them gangsters at the living, man. See what I want, I go take it, ain't no middleman.
Alright guys, we're headed up to Boreal now. Got my little brother in the car. My friend Aiden should be meeting us up there in a little bit, and then our boys Leek, Ju, and Giovanni will be pulling up there also later in the day. So I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but there's so much snow out here right now. Like a ridiculous amount of snow. So we'll see if we can get parking. The front windshield is absolutely disgusting, and I have no windshield wiper fluid. So we're about to pull in right now. Haha, we made it. I want you guys to be able to see how much snow is really out here. Come here, Darius. So here's just a quick comparison when I stand next to one of the snow banks, so you guys can see also. That sun is brutal.
Hey, he's 6'2".
And I'm 6'2".
Is Aiden here?
Nah, not yet. All right. He'll be here for a while.
All right.
Holy shit. I don't think they're running anyone on it yet.
Shit.
Alright guys, quick update. It's about 3 o'clock right now. The rest of the homies should be pulling up right about now, so we pulled up to the whip, relaxed for a second. Honestly, there's so much snow, there's some nice powder, but they don't have any features. They have one jump that you gotta slam down the whole entire run to try to hit, and it's still impossible to clear that whole thing. So I'm gonna see if I can try to throw something down on just something, but they don't have any jumps here right now or rails, which is surprising for Boreal, but hey, we're working with what we got. Still a great time. Had some lunch earlier up in the lodge too, chilled out a little bit, but yeah, now we're just waiting, and we'll get back to it in a little bit.
Yeah.
I'm about to fucking rip down this thing. You ready?
Hold on, let me try and do the. Alright.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
I'll fucking fly right now.
Oh, this thing does track hella good.
Yeah. Wait for Darius to try to get down there too. Okay, I'm gonna wait here. I don't see Darius, do you?
Oh no.
That was definitely my fault.
Why'd you go that way? Fuck, he's pushing back. God damn it. God damn! Fuck! I can't keep up with that shit.
Dude, I told you I was about to start fucking flying. Holy shit.
Oh, fuck.
Alright. I can get across the whole thing.
You can back that.
You think I can backflip that?
Did you hit that whole thing?
You
Yeah.
got OD air.
For real?
You got hella air.
That's a wrap. Another video complete, you guys, and I appreciate everyone who came in, joined, and watched this video. Super fun trip. Enjoyed snowboarding so much today. I hope I got some good content for you guys. It's kind of hard to get out there on the mountain and record, but especially because I don't have a GoPro, but I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the links in the description. The new free Discord is called the MTM Trading HQ. That's where we're getting paid every day. We're live streaming, we're chopping it up in the chat, and it's a place for everybody to grow. So if you're a beginner to trading, if you've been trading for a while or anything in between, man, we all just want to win. So pull up to the MTM Trading HQ. The link's in the description. My IG is in the description at @TraderX, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.